Creating faceless videos for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok is easier than ever now. And to be honest, it's the best passive income method you can do right now because channels like the AI Historian are making thousands of dollars a month with 300,000 subscribers. The only thing that they're doing to achieve that success is creating and uploading videos daily, and that's the hardest part. There is a 99% chance that your first video will not go viral. A lot of new creators give up at that point. If this channel gave up at that point, it wouldn't be here today making thousands of dollars. One of the challenges that you have to face is creating AI-generated faceless videos. Let me break it down for you. While you might use the free version of ChatGPT for script writing, achieving a unique channel will require the paid version, which costs $20 a month. Additionally, to access ultra-realistic AI voices, you can opt for 11 Labs, costing $22 monthly. For generating images and videos, Midjourney runs about $10 a month. Depending on your video editing software, there may be additional costs, totaling around $60 monthly. While this isn't an exorbitant amount, you will still need to invest a considerable amount of time, typically a few hours, to produce 60-second short videos. This is where short-form video automation comes into play. As you already know, on my channel, I revealed different ways you can make money online and new AI tools you can use to automate the process. So in today's video, I'm going to show you an AI tool that you can use to create videos for your new YouTube channel. The craziest part is that it doesn't matter what niche you pick, as this AI can be used for any niche. The AI tool we'll be going over today is called Asa AI. Click the link in my bio and head over to their website. Once you're here, click on Start for free. We can create 5 videos per month for completely free. This is their creative dashboard. First thing we're going to do is pick a voice. We have a ton of high-quality voices to choose from. I'm going for the voice called Jack. Next, we need to choose the style. This is an amazing feature which lets you stand out from the rest of the AI-generated short-form content. I'm going to go with Greek mythology. Finally, we can select a subtitle font. I'm going to go with generic. They have many different ones to choose from depending on the tone of your video. Next, I'm going to change the font color to green so it stands out. Finally, click on Advanced Settings, and here you can change anything you want about the animation style. Having all the tools in one place makes it so much easier to create these types of shorts and make them unique. You can even set the pace of the video to slow, normal, or fast. Once you're happy with the video style, it's time to generate the script. Asa AI makes this easy by having their specific GPT. You just have to answer a few questions, and it will provide you with 3 scripts of different lengths. This is the conversation I had with ChatGPT. I love how it asked me about my target audience and to pick a CTA sentence at the end. Overall, this process only took me a minute to complete. Here we have the 3 scripts generated. Just copy and paste it into the text box in Asa AI. Finally, click on Create Video, and this process may take a few minutes to complete. While you're waiting for it to generate, you can head over to the Showcase section to get ideas on what other people are creating with this tool.
تبدأ عملية صنع المثلجات من خلط الحليب أو الكريمة مع السكر والنكهات.
1. Superman, DC Comics, known for his near invulnerability, flight, super strength, and laser vision. 2. Goku, Dragon Ball Z, Saiyan warrior with immense strength, capable of achieving powerful transformations. 3.
As you can see, the videos are really high quality. Once your video has completed generating, simply click on Download to save it to your device. All right, let's watch the results.
Icarus didn't fail because he flew too high, but because he didn't know his limits. His father Daedalus warned him, but sometimes we ignore the wisdom of experience in pursuit of our own ambitions. The lesson? Dreams are powerful, but understanding your boundaries is just as crucial. Tag a friend who needs to hear this today.
If you want more than 5 videos per month, then get their Faceless Beginner Plan for only $20 a month. This will give you 20 videos every single month. Hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more passive YouTube automation content. And by the way, did you guys spot the cute animal that made an appearance somewhere in this video? If you did, drop a comment saying what animal it is. See you in the next video.